Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to start by popping the hood. The handle for that is down here on this left-hand kick panel. Once you pull on the hood lever and release the hood, use the safety lock, which is right there, and lift up. Next, we're going to check the coolant level. This has a clear reservoir. You can see the low and the high line. It should read low on cold where it says cold fill level. At this point, this needs to add some. Vehicle has been shut off for several hours, so I can remove the cap. If it has been running for longer than a half hour, I do not recommend taking the cap off till it's cooled completely. I would pour the coolant in there. In this case, it takes universal, long life, and fill it right to the line. Then reassemble my car.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.